Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is gonna be another mini review and I'm pretty excited about this one because this is my first K-Beauty purchase. This is the K-Beauty contour stick and I've wanted this for such a long time. So if you're interested to find out how this product is, then do keep watching. And before we move forward, I would quickly like to remind you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And now let's get started. The K-Beauty contour sticks retail for ₹5.99, but I got this during the Nykaa Pink Friday sale for ₹4.49, which was a great deal. It comes in a cardboard box like this, and I must say the packaging is pretty bougie. It feels really luxe in hand and it looks really impressive. So these contour sticks come in 3 shades: beige focus, caramel focus and cocoa focus, and I got the darkest of the 3 shades, cocoa focus. So from the swatches I figured out beige focus is the lightest and caramel focus is the medium deep of the 3. And now let's quickly unbox this and see how the actual contour stick is like. So it's named the Chisel Star Contour Stick and you get a total of 2.8 grams of product. It's a very decent sized contour stick and it comes sealed even inside like this. Let me just quickly open the seal. So this is how the contour stick looks. It looks like a crayon, and now let's check out the shade. So this looks like a very rich chocolate kind of a shade, like a dark chocolate. So this is how the shade looks, and now let's quickly swatch it. I have very high hopes from this contour stick, fingers crossed. And this is how the shade Cocoa Focus swatches. It's gorgeous and first impression it's very smooth and very rich. Pigmentation and color payoff is top notch. Very impressed with this swatch. I'll try it in my next makeup tutorial video for you guys to see how it works. I haven't tried it yet, so looking forward to try it out. Just look at that swatch, you guys, and I did try to blend it and it blends like a dream. So I'm really looking forward to try it in my next video, and please stay tuned for that if you're interested to see how this works on the face. So Cocoa Focus is a very deep chocolate shade which will suit dusky to dark skin tones very well. If you're fair to medium, try the beige focus shade, and if you're medium to dusky, you can try the caramel focus shade. So this was a mini review of the K-Beauty contour stick in the shade Cocoa Focus. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a like, and please subscribe to my channel guys and switch on the notification bell so that you guys can be notified every time I upload a video, and hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye.